Put your hand up, bro.
I apologize to you guys for the audio. I was mic'd up, and somehow before I got into the court, the mic up sounded like it was on, but then I realized I put the cord in the wrong slot. Unfortunately, I was so upset.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy D-Lane coming through with another video. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get notified when I post each day so you don't want to miss an upload. Today's video, man, we have a 5v5 basketball run. We are here at Sadie Park once again. We have a park takeover. You know, Tampa, y'all been asking me to come out. I'm sorry, I apologize for the rain. We were supposed to be playing at Riverfront Park. They have a roof over top, so I'm very excited. You know, I'm starting to travel a little bit more, so, you know, it's bringing back the old memories, and, you know, the grind is only gonna get better. So with y'all love and support, be sure y'all sharing these videos through and showing love. Leave a like on this video. A long car ride. I was in the car, I'm a little bit tight. I'm gonna get stretched up, get a little warmed up. It's D-Lane, and let's get right into the video. This is day number 1. We're about to get it going. There's a lot of people. Be sure you smash the like button. Let's get right in there. Can't do nothing about that, bro. We got a stacked team. We ain't got nobody getting back. But hey, it was good going back and forth though a little bit, but we'll keep going. I got more of me. Watch. I'm gonna bring
Put your hand up, bro.
just trying to get better with the content, get better as an individual. I'm confident. That's not a stunt, but we're gonna keep it going though. I appreciate you.
Pardon the interruption. Today's sponsor is brought to you by Kinetic Kings. Me and Kinetic Kings decided to team up and do a giveaway for you guys for all the love and support. You guys already know when I come to hoop, I come dripped up. So I decided I wanted to get you guys right into the review of the gym shorts. I'm going to be showing you guys are the black, white, and blue strip within the white shoelaces. These are very, very high quality gym shorts. It feels like a jogger type of wear of gym shorts. So I wanted to give you guys a special prayer. In order for you guys to win this, you have to So I'm gonna be doing it in a hat. I'm gonna give you guys within 3 weeks prior to this video, and I will be going live on Instagram. And good luck to you guys. I can't wait to see who wins. And this is just one of many of giveaways I'm gonna be doing for you guys. So shout out to Kinetic Kings, and let's get back into this video. If you made it this far into the video, I forgot to do an outro. The content was okay for you guys. The rain got in the way. There was way more people than expected, but we made it happen, and it was a great turnout. The people I posted for the flyer that I was going to be running with, unfortunately, not all of them showed up. So it's kind of hard to give you guys the right content with the right type of competition. If you're an athlete out there and you are trying to showcase your talent, I will be running with you guys a little bit more. So be sure you DM me on Instagram, because I am giving back to more communities. And this isn't about me, but it's about you guys. So I appreciate you guys. And it's D-Lane, and I'll see you guys in the next video.